Good morning. I have a parcel from Amazon. I have opened it because I wasn't sure what it was. Inside I had this box and then the camping stove which I ordered. It's got a nice mesh bag which is great. You can either take food in it or you can keep the stove inside, which is ideal either way. If I can just slide this over 1 second. Right. I just want to make sure that I erect it properly, that's all. It's very tight to get it off. There you go. It comes in a few pieces. I'm not going to take it all off because it's going to be murder to try and get it back on. But these are the pieces I have. Now, this will stand up better now. It's got the bag in it. Actually, maybe I need to take it all off. It's quite hard to get that one out. I'm very sure it's got to come out. Okay, it doesn't want to come out, so let me just check. Yeah, it needs to come out. Okay, maybe it slots out the other way. I don't want to break this bag, that's the only thing. There we go. Yeah, so it comes out the other way. So you've got a few pieces in there. Okay, so that will stand on there, like so. I think that goes inside. So you would have the fire in there, the air would come out here. Another piece. This is all stainless steel, so it's really nice stuff. That sits on there, as you can see. And then I'm guessing you could have that, or you could pop another bowl, anything on there you wanted. Unless that goes inside. Yep, that might go in there. So there you go. It's a really nice little camping stove. This is perfect for carrying anywhere because it's so small and light. It'll pop inside this bag. It's a nice little mesh bag. Whether you take food or you keep this in there. I personally would keep this in the bag because it keeps it all together and it keeps it tidy. It's a lovely little item when you're camping, when you want something, even if you just wanted to warm up, might be a bit cold. The air comes through here and it just warms anything that you've got inside or anything on top as well. It will warm it up. So, you could pop a little kettle or something on there, or a bowl or a plate, whatever. And this would be perfect for just going camping anywhere, hiking, anything like that where you need maybe quick warm food or warm water, or you want to sterilize the water, because that could be a problem as well when you're outside. So, this is perfect. I love it. And it's so light, to carry the whole stove is quite light, and it all fits in a little mesh bag. So that is excellent. That's a lovely little item there. So hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching. Bye now.